What's up, everybody? In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a playlist for your YouTube account. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. The process for creating a playlist is pretty easy. So what you have to do is to go to the search bar and search for a song, for example. So here you guys can see that I'm on a Billie Eilish song. What I have to do is to go to the three-pointer on the right side and click on the save to a playlist. So here, what I have to do is to click on create a new playlist. What I have to do is write a name for it. For example, my personal visibility. If I want to add any collaborator, I would like, if I have to add a collaborator, then it should be public. But if it's not any sort of collaboration with anybody, what I have to do is to simply go ahead and click on create button. So what now? So on the left hand side, you will see the playlist option. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you will see that there is a playlist named as my personal. So once you click on that, after the ad, the video will be played. So this is how you guys can add multiple songs to this playlist. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel, hit the like button, comment on the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Take care. Bye bye.